Now, in this video, there's going to be some shocking truths of things you probably will not have thought, and that is actually why it is so much simpler than you could ever realize to get the life you want, maybe make 20K a month or beyond. Because a lot of people massively overcomplicate this, and the reality is I'm going to break down how simple this is and how you can kind of do it step by step. Because there's a lot of people out there who try and overcomplicate this because they try and sell you something. I want to simplify this down to basic principles so you understand exactly how to do this, why to do this, and the mechanics behind it, why it works. So if you look, firstly, if you are looking to sell some type of program or product online and you want to make 20K a month, you have to think about this with a very logical process. And this is what we teach in our 5C course. If you want to get access to that, it's a link below. It's completely free. There's nothing you can buy there, but it has helped tons and tons of people make money online. We teach Instagram, Facebook ads, all that type of stuff. Now, if you break this down in terms of what comes first, it's traffic, it's content, it's videos like this. So you have to pull people into your world. And why? Because what you're looking to do is initially create awareness, and you want to look at something what's called Eugene Schwartz's buyer's pyramid. So you have people who are essentially unaware, they don't actually know anything about you. You have people who are problem aware, they realize they have a problem that they're aware of and they want to get solved. You've got people who are solution aware, they know the problem, they know how to solve it. And you've got people who are product aware, they know about you and what you sell, and they're fully attuned of what potential problems you could solve for them. Now, what we're looking to do in terms of traffic at the beginning is pull people all the way through those different stages. And then we want to try and obviously convert them to a client eventually. But before you can do that, ask yourself this. Before any sale in life happens, what has to take place? One very simple thing, a conversation. Whether that be digitally, whether that be in person, whether it be something like a VSL, whether it be a YouTube video, those are the things that actually matter, conversations. So we use content to create conversations to then, if you want to sell high ticket coaching programs, which is what we're going to talk about, you want to do that on calls. So you want to do that either on WhatsApp, or if you want to make more money, which I suggest you do, you want to do this on Zoom. So Zoom calls face-to-face, have an actual conversation. We use something in two different frameworks. So before the call, to make sure you've got someone who isn't a tire kicker and a complete waste of time, you want to use this, which is called the BANT framework. Now, this is the questions you're going to put on, say, for example, a Calendly link, and it stands for budget, authority, need, timeline. Does the person have the budget? Do they have the authority to buy? Do they have actual need for your products and service? Timeline, are they actually looking to do this anytime soon? You want to kind of get green light on all of those. Next up, you want to come into obviously the sales call process. And then with that, we basically use Alex Ramos's closer framework we built into a script. And what you're looking to do in all these buying conversations is clarify the North Star, what is they want, label the problem, what is their issue, why they haven't, observe past pain, look at what they've done before that hasn't worked. S is then sell them the solutions. And then basically we'll then focus on them from looking at removing any pain points from there of why they'd want to do this and handle any potential objections. They then hopefully pay, then become a client, and that's essentially it. So essentially you want to take people from content to calls to clients to money in your bank account, and then do this magical thing, which is essentially where you get one client who can then recommend two people, and then your business will grow forever for free. And this is where you essentially have the most scalable business that's very easy to run. And if you're looking to grow your business right now and you want to have minimal headaches, you want to have very lean and efficient processes across the board, and you want a very small team. So you probably only need, with AI, maybe a VA for some admin stuff that AI can't do, potentially someone to help you in terms of potential setting sales calls, so either on DMs or phone calls, and potentially, depending on what your product and offer is, someone to help with the fulfillment and coaching. Now, one of the reasons most people businesses become a job, which is just over broke, is because essentially they are in the position where they are selling time for money, coaching clients. What you actually want to focus on doing is put all your time and effort into marketing sales on the front end to pull more people through. So as the business grows, you want to make this transition and pull yourself more to marketing sales, not just fulfillment. So I see a lot of coaches who are stuck, say for example in fitness, and they're making 5K a month, but it's because they spend 80% of their week doing check-ins and they are being busy but not effective. And this is where I want you to audit your calendar right now. Look across your week. Are the things you're doing, are they high leverage, it's like building for your future, or are they low leverage? They're a day-to-day task that's repeatable, it's not moving the needle. And if all of it is low leverage, I can tell you one thing. Your business is going to be in the exact same position it is right now in 3 months' time, 6 months' time, a year's time. And the reality is, if nothing changes, nothing changes. And that's where you have to really audit a few things to see where you're at right now, whether you have a business or you don't have a business. And that is, one, what does your calendar look like? Where are you allocating the most precious thing you have, which isn't time, which isn't money, sorry, it's time. Secondly, is auditing your bank account. Where do you actually spend your money? Are you spending on learning, or are you spending on showing off shiny shit or going on fancy holidays? And thirdly, is I'd actually look at your YouTube watch history. What are you watching? What are you listening? What are you reading? Because thoughts become things. And if you focus on constantly learning marketing, learning sales, improving your skills, guess what? Eventually you become good. And if you do these things and you do enough volume, you become great. And that's where that saying is like volume negates luck. It's as simple as that. The people who are the best at anything have done it a lot and for a long period of time. So if you want to be good in terms of running your online business and in your specific niche, you need to identify what are the key critical skills you need. Marketing, sales, some very basic tech skills potentially, and that's kind of it at the beginning, because this isn't hard. If you want to then get to say 20K a month, what would I focus on doing? I'd focus on selling 3 to 5K coaching programs in whatever offer you have as a minimum. If you can sell 4 a month, say at 5K, 1 a week, you make $20,000 a month, is as simple as that. And the platforms you can do that on are like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube. What should you not do is I probably wouldn't try and do all of them in one go. Depending on who you are and what you're looking to focus on, I'd focus on Instagram for everyone, and then potentially LinkedIn if you're looking to work with higher end people. Very easy to make content, very easy to get traffic, very easy to kind of scale up, and you can sell premium price points in there. We work with some clients in there who are selling $25,000 fitness coaching programs on LinkedIn, which is more than some people make in a quarter, 3, 4, 5 months in the business. Now, the reality is if you want to be in that position as well, and you're not right now, it's down to one very simple thing. You haven't learned the right skills, and possibly you haven't experienced the law of exposure. You haven't been exposed to people who are successful online. You haven't been exposed to seeing exactly what can be done. And the reality is, once you see it, you can't unsee it, and it becomes a possibility for you. And if you want that possibility to become a reality, if you hit the link below this video, you can book in a free call with us to find out exactly how we can help you. If you took value from the video, smash the like button, subscribe, and check out the next one on screen right now.